In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select About Phone at the very bottom. Now click on Device Name section right next to Storage and type in wherever you want to. I will go with Sunny. Then choose OK. And also tap on OK in the second pop-up about visibility. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!